Okay, I'm gonna open the Seraphim Classics Hope Light in the Distance figurine. It is sealed, but I don't want to ship it out if there's something wrong with it. So we are going to open this on camera. So this is going to be a little awkward, but let me get this out. Okay, so it is sealed all the way around. I think I'm going to do on the side. Okay. That is some strong tape. Okay. This is probably the most boring video, but I do not want to ship something that is broken. So we got to check it first. Sorry for all the noise. Okay, here we go. That's not in the camera. That better. Okay. It's really heavy. Oh gosh. Oh, that is heavy. I'm gonna bring it down. Wow, she's really pretty. Just got a breast cancer pin right here. Very pretty. Okay, she is all in one piece and is stunning. Most awkward video I've done. Okay, but there she is, and I'm going to package her back up, and she'll be on her way once she sells. Okay, so I've put her back in the styrofoam, and I'm gonna close that back up, and I am going to tape it closed again so it doesn't fall apart when somebody opens it. So I will be taping that closed. So she will arrive safely at her next destination. So I just wanted to show that this was being retaped, and I will finish taping it all the way around and then put it back in its box.